Okay, this is IIT Jam 2021 solution. There are two statements about groups. Has no proper subgroup, and the second one has no proper subgroup of finite index under the finite index. So, which one of the following statement is true? So, the first case group U plus. So, let H less than this, such that Q by H is as H given Q is then Q. N. So order O Q by H, this value in some arbitrary element. Now R equal to Q plus H for some Q belongs to Q. So now hence NR is equal to E, so NQ plus NH equal to H. So NQ plus H equal to also H. This also only if NQ belongs to H. So Q equal to NQ belongs to H. But this is a contradiction. So as a result of that, statement 1 is correct. Statement 1 is correct. So A can be a possibility and this. Next, for the second part, C. So there exists H, that's 0. So H, so Z of H given Z so part of this. So now 0 is equal to K. So now in this case, so AH equal to will becoming BH. So AB inverse belongs to H. So ZK belongs to H. So statement 2 is true is also well. So A is the answer. Question number 15. So we have a bijective map which follows this condition, and so number of such bijective map कितने हो सकते? So f of n 1 to 1 so on to, so let a function ले लेते हैं c. So f1 equal to f2 equal to c. So f1 equal to f2 directly, but not 1 not equal to 2. So not 1 to 1. So fx is not bijective. Now again take fx equal to मान लेते हैं 2x. सेकेंड पार्ट में हम लोग लेते हैं fx equal to 2x. So if I just draw it, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 maybe, and 2 4 6 8 in that way if we proceed. So 2 comes with 2, 4 with 4, so only these numbers are coming. So this is not true. So fx equal to x plus 1. So here if we take summation of fn by n square, this is less than plus infinity is being provided. And anyway, this is a convergent series. This is a so fx equal to x plus 1. So f of n by n square will be n plus 1 by n square. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So 1 by n प्लस 1 बाई एन स्क्वायर। सो अभी इसके ऊपर से एक्सपेंशन करेंगे। सो एन टू द पावर 1 बाई एन माइनस एन प्लस 1 बाई एन प्लस एन लॉग ऑफ एन टू द पावर एन माइनस n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 log of 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power n. So limit n tends to infinity n un by un plus 1. If we take it like this, so 1 minus 1 log 0, 1 minus 2 log 2. 0 plus into minus infinity plus 1, so that is minus infinity, hence less than 1. So obviously un, summation of un in this case is divergent. Now n to the power 1 by n greater than n plus 1 whole by n plus 1, but this is for those values which is n greater than equal to 4. So n1 by n, n plus 1, 1 by n plus 1. So this is greater than 0. So this series summation of 1 by n square minus n to the power 1 by n, this is also diverges. So therefore series 1 and 2 both diverges. Hence if we see the options, then the both are this. So 15 answer is B.